Chicken, I love the chicken. I think I'll get an omelette with some cheese. Hello, how are you? Okay? Morning. I'm first customer.
Yeah.
Wow, fresh. Just omelette with the cheese
Yeah.
and onion.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's this turkey ham?
Chicken.
Chicken. I love the chicken. Thank you so much.
Parsley, no?
Yeah, no chili. Caspian, yeah. No chili, no chili.
No chili?
Last night I had two.
Okay.
No, no chili. I just take a video of you.
No?
Eh?
Pepper.
Pepper a little bit, yeah, pepper's fine. Thank you. So you work here a long time? You've been working here a long time?
Yeah.
Because last year I came, you was here last year as well. Yeah, and can I have one of them?
Moroccan pancake?
Yeah. What's it called?
One, Msemen.
Simmal?
Msemen.
Simmal, okay, I want just one.
Only one?
Only one, yeah.
Msemen.
Simmal. Put all the one, right in there. Super. Eggs ready. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Here we are. We got the omelette. Oh, it's roasting hot. And we got the bread, which is piping hot. But yeah. Let's see what this is like. Guys, let's have a taste of this omelette she made me, and this simma, I think she called it, simma. But it's the Moroccan bread. It's like a paratha really, how she makes it. But not in a lot of oil, she just chucks it on the hot plate and then gets it all hot and ready and gives it a good spanking. And it's really good, as you can see. It's very simple but very tasty. I like it. You can put things on it, you can put jam on it, whatever you want to put on that, you can put some. I just like it plain. And the omelette. With the omelette, she put some cheese in, onion in, parsley in, some peppers, and then she finished off with the chicken. And you know, it's fantastic. It really is. What a nice omelette. This woman, she's been working here for a long time now. I was here last year and she was here, and come again and she's still here. I think she's been here for the last 3 or 4 years since it's been open. Maybe wrong, but definitely 3 years I've been told. So yeah, she makes a fantastic omelette, and it's credits to the Pestana CR7 for having such a great person here making a fantastic breakfast for us. But let me just crack on. Enjoy this omelette because it's really nice. But then my wife will want breakfast, so I'm gonna have to come down. Probably have a coffee with her. Maybe have something else, you never know.